Dear all, in recent weeks, a cyber threat was targeting unsuspecting users with fake Outlook troubleshooting calls. These calls, designed to appear as legitimate, were recently found targeting unsuspecting users with fake Outlook troubleshooting calls. The scam involves a malicious binary named CITFIX number 37.x. The scam begins with a call from individuals claiming to be from Microsoft or another reputable tech company. They assert that there is an issue with the user's Outlook account and offer to troubleshoot the problem. That scamming call was used as the delivery method for inject the malware to a victim's computer. After installing the malware to victim's computer, the malware can lead to ransomware deployment, encrypting the user's files and demanding payment in exchange for the decryption key. Mitigation strategies: keep antivirus endpoint security solution up to date, update SIEM, EDR and other endpoint security software with IOCs. Be cautious about granting remote access to computer unless you are absolutely certain of the caller's authenticity.